We will perform an experiment to see when vinegar reacts with baking soda, it produces carbon dioxide. For this experiment, we need a clear lime water in a test tube. Keep this test tube in test tube stand. We need some vinegar. Pour some vinegar in another test tube. We need a connecting tube with Coke on it. Place one end of connecting tube in a test tube containing lime water. Add some baking soda to the test tube containing vinegar. Immediately close the mouth of test tube with Coke containing other end of connecting tube. You would hear a hissing sound and see bubbles of a gas coming out. This is carbon dioxide gas. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed, which turns clear lime water milky. The turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. The reaction between carbon dioxide and lime water is carbon dioxide, when reacts with lime water, it gives calcium carbonate and water.